There's a global pool of Filecoin available, as well as regional pools for each continent, excluding Antarctica. And the top 100 miners in the global pool and the top 50 miners in each regional pool will receive an allocation from pool Filecoin rewards. So in the global pool, miners are able to unlock different tiers as the total amount of network storage across the world increases. And you can see the tiers listed out here. It's worth noting that throughout these tiers, the highest tier, which is 1 million Filecoin, is only achieved if, in addition to the network globally reaching 100 petabytes, each regional pool also achieves at least 1 petabyte. So what we're looking for here is really an effort by the Filecoin community for miners in regions that might be a little bit farther ahead to reach out to folks in other regions, help them get up and running to help spin up that diverse global decentralized ecosystem that we all want for the network to be long-term successful. Likewise, in the regional pools, the goal here is to make it a little bit easier and more attractive for folks who are mining in regions that haven't seen such wide Filecoin adoption so far to participate in the competition and receive some types of stake in the network. So you can see those laid out here. They're also all included in the blog post that announced these, which we'll post in the community Slack immediately following this call. There's a few other rules that miners should be aware of if they're participating in the competition. These rewards will vest from mainnet launch, just like the folks who participate in the token sale, for example, or various companies that are involved. These rewards will vest over time to encourage long-term participation in the network. There's some lightweight AML KYC type stuff that has to be done to claim tokens. And importantly, please, be honest about where you're mining from and don't try to sneak onto the leaderboard in a different region from where you're actually operating. I'll leave it to the post itself to dig into the fine print here, but just some stuff for you to be aware of as you consider whether you might like to participate. The competition begins roughly 5 weeks from mainnet launch. So right now that's looking like it'll be early to mid-July. And it'll run for a total of 3 weeks. We have a little bit of time built in on the back end to handle the actual disbursement of tokens and all the administrative side. So I'll leave it at that. Thank you for your attention, and I'll be on the community Slack to answer any questions that you might have about the program.